Morning everyone! Ngayon ang ating tutorial how to use Dory app. Sa mga customer natin dyan, sa mga hindi marunong kung paano gamitin ang Dory app, ito. All you have to do first thing is download your Dory app. Once you have your Dory app, open. Then make sure your location is correct. Okay? So once your location is correct, we have three or three partners. So one is national food like Jollibee, McDo, Chowking, Inasal. Local foods depends on your area. So and nothing last but the least, DTI partner. So DTI partner is all about DTI products in local areas. Okay. So but this DTI product is on Isabela area. Okay. So sorry about the loading, it's a little bit slow, but uh, example this one of the DTI product in Isabela. See, you can choose whether what garment you like. And the good thing with this app is the pabili padala service. So example, I want palengke, you just manually pin. Okay, example, uh, that's the example of my area, La Union. Okay, San Fernando Market. Okay, so if that's correct, confirm. Then let's say what you want to buy. So copy the manok, papaya, and so other ingredients. So call me. Yeah, call me this number. So your rider will call you. Okay. So okay. So then submit. Okay. Once everything is confirmed, but you need to change your location, syempre. So example, you live in next town, like an example, another town again, San Juan. Okay, this is only example to show you how. So that's what I want to buy. This is the delivery fee. So just place the order, and then the rider will receive your order. Same thing as merchant. So if it's local food, just choose food, example, tosilog, scrambled egg, then add to cart. Add, then example, I want to add another tuyo, silog, just sunny side up. Add to cart, then check out. That's it. That's all I want. Then go to your cart, view cart, then check out. That's the total of the food for the merchant. Once you check out, your location will be automatically where do you live. Okay, so then that's it. You will see the delivery fee and total amount. Then place the order. Or if you want, then you can add the instruction. Kuya, pa add ng tubig sa 7-Eleven. That's it. So you need to inform your rider or they just gonna call you. Same as national. Okay, example, Jollibee. So let's say I want, oops, sorry, my turn cut off. So Jollibee. Sorry, it's a little bit slow. Let's go to Jollibee again. Okay, let's say this depends on where Jollibee on your location. Okay, so that's why I have three branches of Jollibee. Because there's are different places. Who's nearby on you? That's where you're gonna buy if you want. So example, I want one piece sugar chicken, then pick add more item. That's it, and that's what I want. Then I go to my cart to check out. Same thing. It's a little bit slow. Check out, check out. Then you see the total delivery fee and because I'm a little bit far my location, that's why see that's my location. The merchant is a little bit far. So the delivery fee is 145 and the total of the food is 109. So 254 and click place order if it's confirmed. So if you have any more further question, just message me or comment below at this YouTube channel. And that's it. Wait for another tutorial about merchant. See you soon.